Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how to install and configure the Wamp server and how to set up the Wordpress. What is Wamp server? Wamp server is web server which is needed for Windows to run the Wordpress site. Here we need to follow 4 steps. Step 1, install Wamp server. Step 2, set up WordPress. Step 3, create database. Step 4, set up your website. Now we are going to see step number 1, installing Wamp server. Here we go. Open Google, type Wamp server download. Select the first link that appears. Select download. Wamp server gives you two options, 64-bit and 32-bit. If your system is 64-bit, then download Wamp server 64-bit. If your system is 32-bit, then download Wamp server 32-bit. Because my system is 64-bit, I'm going to download Wamp server 64-bit. Now we are going to install Visual Studio C++ platform. Select this link. Scroll down. Select the language as English. Now select the download button. Now select this option according to your system. Mine is 64-bit, so I'm going to select this checkbox and click next. Now it started to download. It's downloaded. Let's open it. Select I agree checkbox and install. Now the Visual Studio C++ platform is installing in your system. Setup is successful. Now close the button. Open the home page. Again, click the Wamp server 64-bit option. Now you can download it directly. Now click this link. You can download it directly. Here, download the latest version. Your download is started. Now we are going to install it. Double click on it. Click yes. English OK. Select the radio button, I accept. Click next. Click next. This is the next destination path. Click next. 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 Install. Click no. Click no. Click next and finish. Now you have successfully installed the Wamp server. Now let's see Step 2. Set up WordPress. Open Google. Type WordPress download. Select the first link that appears, which leads to wordpress.org. Download the latest version 5.5. Now we have downloaded the WordPress. Now we are going to extract it. Before that, let's see where to extract these files. Open your folder. Open C drive. Double click on Wamp64. Double click on www. We have to place our WordPress file here. Let's do that. Now we have placed our WordPress file into www folder. Let's see step 3, creating database. Double click on Wamp server icon, which is displayed on your desktop. Select yes. Now the Wamp server icon W is displaying on your taskbar. Let's wait till this red color W turns to green color. Now you are ready to move. Click on it. Select PHP My Admin. Set your username and password as default and click Go. Here we need to create a database for our WordPress website. Click New. I'm going to create a database under the name Sample website. Click this Create button. Now your database is created under the name Sample website. Open a new tab. Now let's see step 4. We are going to set up our WordPress site. Type http://localhost/WordPress. We are ready to configure. Select the language as English and continue. This is the welcome page. Let's go. Type here your database name that we have created here. Sample WordPress. Sample website. Username as root. Password blank. Then submit. Now we are going to run the installation. We are going to give the information about our WordPress website here. Site title, sample website. Provide your WordPress page credential here. Give your email ID here and select install WordPress. Now we have successfully configured our WordPress here. Let's log in. Provide your credentials, sample 1234, and give your password here. Login. This is your WordPress dashboard. Now you are ready to create your beautiful website. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and click the bell button to receive the notifications.